You've been working hard for years, saving what you can, but your bank balance barely moves. It feels like you're doing everything right, yet your wealth just refuses to grow. Here's the truth that billionaire investor Charlie Munger learned decades ago. The first $100,000 is a BH, but you gotta do it. Because once you reach that number, something amazing happens. Your money starts working harder than you do. Today, you'll learn why that first 100K feels impossible, how to reach it faster, and why everything changes once you do. The beginning of your wealth journey is brutally slow. That's because almost all of your progress depends on your effort, not compounding. When your portfolio is small, your returns are tiny in dollar terms. If you invest $5,000 and earn 10%, that's only $500 in a year. Barely noticeable. But when you finally hit $100,000, that same 10% return becomes $10,000, and you didn't lift a finger. The math never changed. The scale did. That's the tipping point where compound interest takes over the heavy lifting. Until then, you're pushing the snowball uphill, every paycheck, every sacrifice. Afterward, gravity starts working for you. Here's why most people never get there. In the early stages, the progress feels invisible. You save $100, invest it, and nothing happens. So you tell yourself, what's the point? But wealth building is front-loaded with boredom. You're not failing. You're compounding in the shadows. Every extra $50 you save shortens the timeline dramatically. The problem isn't your ability, it's your patience. Once your portfolio hits 6 figures, growth becomes addictive. Every month, you see your progress. That psychological feedback loop keeps you consistent, and consistency is the entire game. So how do you reach that first 100K years faster? Here's a simple acceleration plan. Step 1. Increase income velocity. Learn a skill that pays, not just more per hour, but more per client, per project, or per sale. One new income stream can collapse your 10-year goal into 3. Step 2. Automate your investing. Set up automatic transfers right after payday. When saving is invisible, it becomes effortless. Step 3. Delay lifestyle creep. Every raise or bonus goes straight into assets, not upgrades. Your friends will buy nicer cars, you'll buy freedom. Step 4. Let compounding breathe. Stop pulling money out for short-term wins. The longer your money stays untouched, the faster it multiplies. At 10K, you're planting seeds. At 100K, you're harvesting momentum. Once you cross that 100K line, everything changes. Your focus shifts from how do I make money to how do I make it work for me. Your investments start producing visible income. $10,000 a year in growth might not replace your salary yet, but it proves that freedom isn't a fantasy. It's math. And that realization rewires you. You start saying no to wasteful purchases because you see how much each dollar could grow if you just left it alone. You don't need to be frugal forever, just disciplined until the snowball rolls on its own. So the next time you're frustrated that your savings grow slowly, remember this. Every dollar you save before 100K is fuel for the rocket. Once you cross that line, compounding becomes your co-pilot. Charlie Munger was right. The first 100K is the hardest, but it's also the most important. Because after that, wealth doesn't just get easier, it gets inevitable.